Hi, I'm Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we're going to show you the Slayer truck mount installed, so you get a little bit better view of what it looks like inside of a truck. This is the first crossover truck mount, and what I mean by that is it has both a heat exchange system on it, as well as it's a kerosene burner. The kerosene burner is a 350,000 BTU burner. We do have a 5-gallon a minute air emergency pump, so it'll easily run dual wands. I think, as Nick talked about in the previous video, the connections down here run off the heat exchanger, and then when you automatically hook your hose to the top stainless steel couplers, it automatically redirects the flow after it goes through the heat exchanger to the kerosene burner, which allows you to cut your fuel consumption because you're preheating the water with the engine exhaust. On this particular model, the customer asked for a live reel, so if you go to back here, we put 160 feet of solution hose on a live reel to stay connected up to the front of the machine all the time, and then we just hook up the vacuum to the hub. And on the next little video, we'll actually show it running to see how much heat we can get out of it with the heat exchanger by itself. Hi, I'm Donald with Steam Bright. Today we're going to turn on the Slayer and see how fast it heats up. We're going to be using the top quick disconnects, which means that it's going to be preheated by the engine heat exchanger first and then going through the kerosene burner second. I actually had the thermostat set at 230 degrees during that test. That's about 212 here, and it goes all the way to 250. I didn't turn it up all the way. We do have an automatic kill switch that once the temperature reaches about 260, it'll kill the engine because it's getting too hot, and we don't want you to rupture your hoses. And today we're going to test the auto pump out on the Slayer. So I'll go ahead and start it up. Thanks for watching.